Hey guys, this is the notes for Unit 2 Scientific Notation. You should have received a packet. I started doing this video a minute ago, but somebody came in, so I'm going to rewrite some of the stuff I already wrote. Here's your vocabulary. You have the base, exponent, standard decimal notation, power, and scientific notation. Please add this to your packet. 5 squared. This, the squared, is your exponent. The base is the 5. And this is your power. Now let's start filling this packet out. As I said, I had already started, so I'll take time to have you fill this in. Regular notation is the standard way that we write our numbers. Example, 280 million is written 280,000,000,000. The scientific notation is a shorthanded way of writing really large or really small numbers. In a scientific notation, a number is written as the product of two factors. Example, 280 million can be written in scientific notation as 2.8 times 10 to the 8th power. The first factor is a number that is between 1 and 10. It may or may not be a decimal. The second factor is always a power of 10. The power of the exponent tells you how many places to move the decimal point. The sign of the exponent tells you which direction to move it. Okay? So, regular notation turned into scientific notation. If the decimal is moved left, this way, the exponent will be positive. If the decimal is moved right, the exponent will be negative. Now let's practice some of this. So this is a regular number, 420,000. We want to change it to scientific notation. So you want to start at the end and move the decimal till it gets to a number that's between 1 and 10. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Took us 5 times. So, we're going to rewrite this as 4.2 times 10 to the 5th power. Now let's try this one. We're going to move this decimal until it's between two numbers that are between 1 and 10, or a number that's between 1 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These numbers are between 1 and 10. So this would be 7.35 times 10 to the 8th power. Now, as you see, this one looks different. So we need to move this decimal to the right. So the exponent will be negative. Same thing, we need to move it until it gets between two numbers, between numbers that are between 1 and 10. So 1, 2, 3, we would stop here. Because we don't go again, because that would give us 89.7, and 89 is bigger than 10. 8 works. So this will be 8.97 times 10 to the negative 3 power, because we moved it 3 times to the right. Let's try this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this will be 1.4 times 10 to the negative 6 power. Okay, these are your notes. Let's see what else we have in the packet. So we had the vocabulary, this page. Now we're on this page. So let's write our notes again at the top. If the exponent is negative, we will move the decimal to the left and add zeros where needed. If the exponent is positive, we will move the decimal to the right and add zeros where needed. So let's practice. Okay, now we're converting it from scientific notation back to regular notation. So we know this is going to begin with 7, 5. And we need to add 5 digits after the decimal. So we need to make sure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to fill in these with zeros. So our number is 750,000. Let's try this next one. It's 3.8 times 10 to the 4th power. So let's write it. And we need to have 4 spaces. Whoops, sorry about that. Here's this. 4 spaces after the decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4. And fill those in with zeros. So this is 38,000. Up here, we started here in case it was cut off on the video. And we went 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Now let's do this one. So this is a negative, so we're going to go to the left. So write your number, 4.2, and from the decimal, it needs to be 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. So now you have 0.0042. And the last one, write 7.51, and we need to move it 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you should have 0.40751. So let's practice some more. I'll do 3 on each side and you guys do the rest. So 45,000, we're going to move this, we're going to change this to scientific notation. So we need to start here and move back. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know it's going to be 4.5 times 10th to the 4 power. Let's try this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's going to stop right there. So it'll be 9 times 10 to the 6th power. And the last one is 1, 2, 3. So it'll be 7.45 times 10 to the 3rd. This one looks different, so I'm going to go on and do it. We're going to go to the right, so that means it's negative. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's going to be 3.78 times 10 to the negative, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Negative 5. This one here, we're going to move it this way, and it's going to be 1, 2. So 5 times 10 to the negative 2. This one, we start here, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.704, and you write all the numbers times 10 to the 5th power. This last one's big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7.07 times 10 to the 9th power. We're going back to the right. It will be negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.9 times 10 to the negative 7th power. This one, we just need to go back 1, because 1 is between 1 and 10. This would be 1.89000097 times 10 to the negative 1. So we just moved 1 space. And the last one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5.7 times 10 to the 8th power. Let's see what we have over here. Now we're converting it from scientific back. So write your number, 9.46, and we needed to move the decimal 6 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to have 5 zeros, 946. This one, we're going to go this way. We're going to go to the right, put your number, and move it 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. So this should be 2,500. 1.6, it's negative, so we're going back to the left. 1, 2. Whoops. Hold on. 1.6, we're going to go 1, 2, so just 1 0. This one is positive, so write your 4, and we're going to go 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. The next one is 4 spaces. So we have 2 here, 3, 4. 72,500. This one, write your number down, and it's going to go to the left because it's a negative. 3.2456, and we're going to go 8 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 7 zeros, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6. This last one, nope, not last one, number 7. We're going to write your number and we're going to go to the left. 1, 2, 3. So 0.006. This will be positive. 9.7, 7 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 97 million. And what do we have here? Negative 5.06. We're going to go to 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last one is an 8, and it's positive 1, 2, and 2 spaces there. So this is some great examples so you can do your math. Now, on the next page, I want you to do these on your own, and we'll check them together. That's it on the notes. Thank you for watching.